Glimpse into the guts of this IBM Model C. It's got a latch here for that side of the case, and it's got a latch here for this side of the case, and now we can just yoink her up. It's got a nice, goes down, and then it kind of goes in and down at the end. I like that. As we can see from the type bars, they look pretty clean. When I actuate them by hand, they seem to go nicely. As I bring them up, the strip of ink goes up. Oh, and when I bring them too far forward, it lurches forward like you're typing. That's nice. It seems to be in good shape. All of them, you can bring them up and then drop them, and they go back down just perfectly. And when you bring any of them up, it acts like it's typing. For all of them, it works perfectly. It seems to be in good condition there. I'm going to remove this faceplate here. This is a little tricky with one hand. There we go. I'm going to look into the guts of this thing just a little bit. And everything looks gorgeous. I mean, sure, this thing isn't, brand new condition, but given its age and the fact that this is, from a recycling center, I'm quite impressed. It seems to be in great condition. The ribbon release works nice. I like that mechanism. I just, clunk and then boop. Oh, isn't that great? I think it's neat. I think it's real nifty. Whole thing looks pretty good. I think I'll power it up for a test at some point. We will see.